What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Mastersons Car Care, and welcome to our brand new Mastersons Car Care Detailing Superstore. Man, I'm so excited to have you guys finally come here to this place because we've been building this place for over 6 months, and this is literally the ultimate detailing superstore that we've ever built in Southern California, our brand new Mastersons Car Care factory store. Now, if you guys follow us on our YouTube channel and our last video, we were actually here in this same location and there was nothing here. I mean, it was just a blank canvas for us to build the most amazing detailing superstore that we could ever imagine. We wanted to build a place for you guys to come and shop with our amazing products, learn about our amazing products and detailing techniques, hang out with me and the team, and just have an amazing place for all the detailers to gather. So welcome to our Mastersons Car Care Detailing Superstore. I'm gonna give you the tour of our auto detailing supply store, and I'm gonna show you all of the cool stuff that we built here just for you. Now, this detailing superstore is located in Anaheim, California, in the heart of Southern California and Orange County. The address is 4308 East La Palma Avenue in Anaheim, California. We'll put the address also in the description to this video. You can also find us on Google Maps Direct. So let's go ahead and give you guys a tour of this amazing place. So first of all, we spent over 6 months building this amazing place. There was nothing here. Let me tell you about this. We actually designed this to be a place for other people to gather, our customers, our friends, detailing enthusiasts, people that just love cars. We wanted to make this a mecca for all you guys to come here and just have an amazing time. So there was nothing in this place. What we did was we built an entirely big showroom. This is over 2,000 square feet of showroom right here at our detailing facility. And then what we did was we first installed a whole bunch of LED lighting. So if you look above, this is full LED lighting. We have 4 bright LED lights, and then we have a bright selection of LED bulbs that really give this place a great feel and just make it feel so open. It's one of the things that makes it just a great place. Plus, we actually took the original floor in this warehouse. This is an older warehouse in Southern California. We took the original floor. We wanted to keep the character of the floor, and we grinded the floor down and high polished the floor so it really does look cool. And it gives it that cool, great feel in the store, and it keeps the character of the building. So let's walk around, let's show you guys this cool place, man. Now, this is actually big enough to fit a whole car in here, several cars. So we're actually gonna be having a rotation of cool show cars in here. So we're also gonna be having race cars, show cars, custom cars right here in the showroom. Check out one of our customers, Max's cars. We invited him and his Ford Focus RS race car. We brought it into the shop and did a cool photo shoot with him. Man, this is seriously a cool car, and it really gives the showroom a great feel. So we're gonna be bringing in cars, motorcycles, maybe even some custom stuff. We'll see what comes here. We're gonna keep it up a cool rotation. And if you wanna have your car featured at the Mastersons Car Care Detailing Superstore in Anaheim, California, send us an email, sales@mastersonswax.com. Put the email right here, man, and that way you can get your car featured at our detailing superstore. So right here on one side of the store, we got all of our detailing chemicals. I mean, check out all the stuff here that we got. Every type of detailing chemical that we make, we got right here in the store. And we have a lot of detailing chemicals. It fills up all this wall. Everything from washes, snow foams, cleaners. Some of our newest products, which I really love, is our Evolution ceramic products. This is our Evolution ceramic coating and our Evolution ceramic auto wash. 2 of my favorite products that we make right here. Love this stuff. Great stuff to have on your car, truck, motorcycle, RV. Our waterless wash here, which is one of our favorites. We're located in Southern California, and we're actually going through one of the biggest droughts right now that we've ever had in over 100 years. So this waterless wash right now is a great product for all of our customers locally to our store to come and buy. Now, right underneath, we also have all of our accessories. So we have our wash mitts, our pump sprayers, and look at all the cool stuff we have right here. Pump sprayers galore. These are to go actually on a gallon. And that way you can pump out your gallon into your 16-ounce bottles. We got additional white Pro pump sprayers and trigger sprayers. We got fuzzy applicator pads. I mean, we have everything in this store to satisfy any detailing enthusiast or professional. Check out these. We just got these in as well. These are a pet hair removal brush for seats and upholstery, really cool. And up here we got our Vortex G2 foam cannons. These are one of our best-selling foam cannons. We actually designed this from the ground up to be the world's best foam cannon. Totally cool unit. We have them right here available at Masterson's Car Care in Anaheim, California. Plus we got cool stuff like bottles. These are our dilution bottles. I love having these close to the pumps because you can actually take the pumps, put it onto your degreaser and pump it right into your bottle. That way you got all your stuff ready to go. These are some of our best sellers. So as you can see, we're selling out a lot of them. This one's empty, but we're gonna get in more real soon because we like to keep this store fully stocked. So let's walk around, guys. Let me show you guys some more stuff over here. Look, we just got these into the store. These are some of our best-selling dilution bottles ready to go for you. And we keep everything in stock here. We're making this a great experience for you guys to come, for detailers to come, so you guys can get the products you need anywhere, anytime. Over here we have all of our air fresheners. We actually put all of our air fresheners together this time. So in this store setup, so you can have all of your air fresheners ready to go. Our tropical pineapple, our juicy cherry, our bubble gum, our strawberry, our Mexican hot chocolate, our whiskey. Man, we got it all right here for you. And over here we even have two of our newest air fresheners, our dark ice and our pina colada. Man, these two best sellers, really good. I love the pina colada, which is a really good one. Over here we also have our paint correction products. So we got our polishes up here. We have metal polish, our light metal polish. We also have our heavy duty metal polish and our paint correction system, our compounds, our swirl remover, our clarity final polish, and our waxes, our sealants, our ceramic coatings, all here. So you have a full selection of products that you could come here and get, man. And we wanted to build this place as an easy to visit store where you could come in and get the product that you need. Remember, this store is located 4308 East La Palma Avenue in Anaheim, California. So let's go over to our polishing pads. We have a full selection of polishing pads, orange, yellow, blue, red. If you have a machine polisher, we got pads for you to buff and polish your vehicle. And then we have microfiber, man. Microfiber is some of the best tools that you could ever have for detailing, whether it's a silk line microfiber or a premium drying towel. We got the whole selection right here for you guys at Masterson's Car Care. Man, feel free to come here and touch the towels. That's what's so cool about this place right here is it's all hands-on and you can come here, feel the towels, feel the products, test what the product is, see which one of our products is gonna be best for you guys. Here at Mastersons, we make over 100 different products and we know one of those products is gonna be great for you. So come down to our store, try the products, bring your car, your truck, your motorcycle, and you can try everything that we have on your car. We have a demo cart just for you guys. Let's walk over here and check out some more towels, guys. Towels, towels, towels. You could never get enough of them. We have our basic original towels right here, our big drying towels. Check out these new towels we just got in. And we're always getting new stuff here at the Mastersons Car Care Detailing Superstore. So the cool thing about this location in Anaheim, California is we have stuff that no other Mastersons Car Care store has. So you gotta come down here and come to this exclusive store, get some exclusive products and merch that we only have at this location. This is really a cool one, man. We got our brand new Mastersons Car Care sweatshirts. Take one off right here. Our brand new Mastersons Car Care hoodies, super high quality. We have a whole bunch of merch. I'll show you our t-shirts over here. We'll walk over, but these are really cool. You guys can come here and get the Mastersons Car Care merch. So when you detail your cars, your neighbors, your friends, everybody knows that you're using the best brand for detailing. And let me show you our cool merch over here that we got, our detailing shirts. A lot of people ask us where I get all of our shirts. Right here at Masterson's Car Care, guys. We have some limited edition colors. Yes, we do have our classic black, which I'm wearing right now. Love this shirt. Super high quality, extra soft, ring spun cotton shirts. They're really cool. But we also have red. You want to be noticed. You want to get people to see what brand you're using. Pick up the red. We also have our new royal blue. Royal blue, super cool. Check this out. Royal blue. This is a great shirt. get noticed. It really is great, so people know that you're a detailer. But my favorite right here out of all the shirts is gonna be the British Racing Green. Such a hot color, man. Green is just a great money color. It looks great. It shows everybody you're eco-friendly. I like it because it's the money green. It just looks fly. If you want to get any of this merch, it's also coming to our website, mastersonswax.com. I'll put a link here below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We also posted all of our renovation that we did on this store on our TikTok. We exclusively posted all that info on our TikTok. So follow us on TikTok at Mastersons Car Care. We'll also put a link right here. We do exclusive deals and videos on TikTok. I love TikTok, man. It's just such a great platform. But YouTube, guys, if you're watching us on YouTube, we love YouTube and we love doing the long form content for YouTube. So let's go over to our accessory wall, man. Our accessory wall has everything you could need tool-wise for your vehicle. I mean, look, it's so big, I can't even touch the top. It's just huge. We got brushes, accessories, leather brushes, brushes for scrubbing small areas. This is a super stiff scrubber brush, all with the Mastersons Car Care name. So when you get a Mastersons Car Care product, you know it's quality and premium detailing supplies made just for you. We also have our foam cannons here, our Pro Foam Cannon, our G2 Vortex, pump sprayers, foam guns, brushes galore. I love these soft, extra soft boar's hair. Dude, these are so nice. And then we also have our leather brushes. These are new leather brushes, super soft horsehair. Anything you see in this video, if it's not on our website, just give us a call, 1-800-495-5199. We'll put the phone number right there. We'll say it again, 1-800-495-5199. We can get you an order on the phone and we ship worldwide, which is super cool. These are really cool. A lot of people ask us about these. The big boy car brush. You guys ask, when is this coming online? We got it at our stores, but this is the big boy car brush. It's aluminum. It's super duper light. Look at this. Really, really light. I mean, we can almost balance it on one hand. So cool, right? So this is a super light brush. It's great for cleaning trucks that are really big, airplanes, boats. You got a boat, you got a jet ski. I'm not very tall, I'm kind of short, but this really does help me clean big vehicles and it extends. So I can make it short, I can fit it in my van, I can get low on the ground, really cool stuff. We're gonna have these online coming up real soon. Also, if you wanna pick one up, just stop by the Mastersons Car Care Detailing Superstore and pick it up today. Remember our address, 4308 East La Palma Avenue in Anaheim, California. Plus we got things like clay bars, full selection of products right here at the register. We literally have everything to get your car, truck, motorcycle, RV, anything looking great in this whole selection. Shirts, tools, and let me show you guys our gumball machine that we got here. We actually found a vintage 1960s gumball machine, and one of our cool guys here, Adrian, actually restored it with our products, kept the original patina, but cleaned it all up, made it look really cool. So you guys can come here, your kids, anybody can get the gumball machine. Now let me take you guys over to our selfie wall. We got a selfie wall over here. So if you guys come and you want to take a selfie on our cool selfie wall, post it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you could come here. We have deals for free products if you just come here. I'm not going to tell you guys how to do it on YouTube. You got to come here to our store and ask, how can I get some free product? We might tell you guys how, or you can even come here when we're doing some special events and get some giveaway products on our special wheel, guys. So this is gonna be a really cool place for everybody to come, get a cool selfie, experience all of this store, guys. You guys see how great it is. And I'm so excited to have you guys come here. So if you guys are watching this video, whether you're around the world in California, come down to our brand new Mastersons Car Care Detailing Superstore. The address 4308 East La Palma Avenue in Anaheim, California. Now right over here behind this locked door is actually going to be our brand new Mastersons Car Care Detailing Training Center. We've actually built a brand new training center where we're going to do classes, training events, special car meets, and a lot of different cool stuff right behind this door, including a whole bunch of detailing tutorials on using products and showing you how to detail. So on our next video, we're gonna give you a tour of our brand new Mastersons Car Care Detailing Training Center. But for now, we'll leave you with our brand new Mastersons Car Care Detailing Superstore. We hope to see you guys here and enjoy our brand new amazing detailing superstore that we built just for you guys. Now I'm Greg from Mastersons Car Care. We'll see you here, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.